What's the meaning of akinesia? Akinesia. 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 Akinesia.
Akinesia is a medical term that describes a condition where a person has difficulty initiating voluntary movements or experiences a reduction in spontaneous movements. It is commonly associated with Parkinson's disease, but can also be caused by medications or other neurological disorders. The result of akinesia can make it difficult for a person to perform everyday tasks such as walking, getting out of a chair, or even blinking. This can significantly impact their quality of life and ability to function independently. Treatment options may include medication, physical therapy, or deep brain stimulation.